Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? So today I want to talk about lexical semantic relations. Basically, this topic is about how words are connected to each other based on their meanings. This is important because sometimes words look similar, sound similar, or belong to the same group. And understanding this relationship helps us understand vocabulary better. So, check it out! Okay, first, let's talk about synonym. Synonym happens when two words have similar meanings. They are different words, but they mean almost the same thing. For example, in many games, when we successfully finish a mission, we can say we win or get a victory. The word win and victory have similar meanings, so they are synonyms. Another example is the word finish and complete. In game like Roblox, when we finish a level, it means we complete the level, so these words are also synonyms. Okay, next is antonym. Antonym happens when two words have opposite meanings. A simple example from games is the words win and lose. When we win a game, it means we succeed. But when we lose, it means we fail. These two words have opposite meaning, so they are antonyms. Another example is life and death, which we often see in many games where character can survive or be defeated. Now let's move to hyponymy. Hyponymy happens when a word is a specific type of a more general word. Okay, I get a good example comes from Pokemon games. The word Pokemon is a general word. Okay, Pokemon is a general word. And specific names like Pikachu, Bulbasaur, and Charmander are types of Pokemon. So, Pikachu, Bulbasaur, and Charmander are hyponyms of Pokemon because they are specific types under the general category Pokemon. Got it? Related to hyponym, we also have hypernymy. Hypernymy refers to general words that includes more specific words. Okay, using the same Pokemon example, the word Pokemon is a hypernymy because it includes many specific Pokemon like Pikachu, Bulbasaur, and Charmander. So, Pokemon is the hypernymy, while the individual Pokemon names are hyponyms. Okay, next is meronymy. Meronymy happens when a word refers to a part of something. For example, in racing games or driving, a wheel is part of car. Other parts of a car include the door and the engine. So the word wheel is a meronymy of car because it is a part of the car. The opposite of meronymy is holonymy. Holonymy happens when a word refers to the whole object that includes its parts. Using the same example, a car includes parts such as wheels, doors, and engines. So the word car is homonym of wheel because the car is the whole object. Okay guys, now let's talk about polysemy. Polysemy happens when one word has multiple meanings that are still related to each other. Hey, for example, the word level can mean a stage in a game, such as level 1 or level 2, but it can also mean the player's progress or difficulty level. These meanings are different but still related. So this is an example of polysemy. And the last one is homonym. Homonym happens when one word has multiple meanings that are completely unrelated. For example, the word pet can refer to an animal that flies at night, but it can also refer to a sport tool used in a game like baseball. These meanings are not related to each other, so this is an example of homonym. So yeah, that's the basic explanation of lexical semantic relations and how words can be related in different ways. Understanding these relationships helps us understand vocabulary better and makes it easier to learn new words. Right, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.